Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate chip cookie bars. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, followed by your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar. Then beat everything together until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. It takes a couple of minutes to take the time to get it to the right consistency. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. Not forgetting that you'll also want to add in your vanilla extract at this point, and then just mix that until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from the top and the bottom of the bowl. So just get those bits incorporated, and then they'll work their way in once we add the dry ingredients. So then add in your dry ingredient, which is the flour and raisin agent, followed by the chocolate chips, and then just mix on a low speed until a cookie dough has formed, being careful not to over mix at this stage. Once again, you'll want to give the bowl a scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits of dry ingredients that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a 9-inch square cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper, and place in all of the cookie dough, getting as much of it from the bowl transferred into the tin as possible. Then just spread and level it out to get as level as possible, and this will help with a consistent bake. So make sure you take the time to spread and level it. It does take a bit of practice to get it perfect, but once you've got a good layer you can just smooth it out as much or as little as you need to. Straight from the oven, you'll want to finish them off by scattering over some of the milk chocolate chips. Go with as many or as few as you like. I will leave the amount I used in the recipe, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. And once they've cooled fully, I like to chill these, as these are better to cut once they are firm. I just cut them into around 8 portions, but feel free to cut them into more or less depending on how many you want to serve or how big a portion you want. It's really up to you, so cut them into your occasion or whatever suits you best. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.